I don't think that worked. Oh, here we go. Now do it. Say it again. What have you done?
Fill this tray.
The little leaves are back. Then food comes through it.
But do you put food in first or not?
Yeah,
Want me to
put
help
the
you?
food in back there.
Yeah.
And then it goes in, and then you put it in, and then it goes really fast
Yeah.
through it and shoots out
Put the
really
last two pieces.
Which bit does it shoot out from? From there.
No, from there.
All right. Good.
The one down, I think down point.
And where does the food shoot to? Does it go to somebody's plate or something? Or?
It goes to somebody's plate.
That's fantastic.
Look how many models I've got. I've got 1,
Better get a copyright on that one.
3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
7,
Georgia, do you like those things?
8, 9, 10, 11. Can you roll it out now, 13?
That's a lot. Oh, I know what I've got for you. Just a minute.